What does a compact fluorescent lamp, a slider on your phone, and light have to do with each other? So although I say that this light bulb is interesting multiple times, yes, I acknowledge this, but this one is actually unique, and you're going to see in this video why this is actually unique. But like from the box itself, it doesn't look like anything. Isotronic, what even is Isotronic? It's a hardware company, something that makes garden stuff, but what really is a CFL then? This is what we're going to discuss today, take a look deeper in its spectrum and learn a little bit about light, because light is interesting, and about the magenta and green slider that every CFL actually uses and has. So let's actually see. This is how it looks like. Nothing really too special. Isotronic, not like it's a too well-known company or something. This is the box. We even get a energy efficiency label here. Indicators this is more efficient than your ancient incandescent light bulb, and that it is not dimmable, as well as E27 and 15 watts. Let's unbox it. And this is the CFL. We actually have some upside down branding as well over here. And that's really all. It seems like it's all about this CFL. In this video it may not actually look like, but it does seem to have an electronic start actually. That was actually a pretty interesting startup. And this is the CFL. This is how the desk looks like, and it's actually pretty well illuminated, be it with this more interesting look that once again can be seen in real life. And now, what's the deal with this CFL? You see, I'm going to now show you an actual image that I balanced of how it actually looks like. It has a slight pink. So, if we actually want to dive more into how this works, we need to understand a few things. White light doesn't equal white light. White light is made out of multiple wavelengths of the visible light spectrum and can be measured with a spectroscope or a spectrometer. And in the right combination, you can use only a few wavelengths to make the white light, just like how fluorescent lamps use this to make white light. Here is an example of an Osram Deluxe Supersound Micro Twist CFL. And here is what the Isotronic CFL has to offer versus the other CFLs. We can see that in the cyan region we actually have a pretty continuous spectrum, and as well in the orange and yellow region. So it has a pretty unusual spectrum. The continuous orange and red region may explain the pink appearance. Okay, remember the slide I was talking about? Maybe to correct for mercury star fluorescent lamps, but primarily for bad halophosphate fluorescent coating. And these bad CFL. Unadjusted, you can actually see it doesn't look natural, but to make it natural, just correct it with this slider. Now you know. To solve this, some companies even made camera filters. So as you saw, this CFL has a lot of stuff that sets it apart from normal CFL. And this is why I actually think that just discovering it now that there's a lot of this stuff is actually kind of amazing, but this is simply because I didn't think about building a homemade spectroscope. And if you want a video on that, I could make. I really did a simple thing there. So yeah, obviously really nice, and I hope you actually learned something new as well in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a happy day. I'm Photonic Luminescence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Bye bye.